Lighting. Let's get into details. Like we told you a trick of colors that you need 3 of them and which ones to. Similarly, we have a guide for choosing lights. Professional lighting needs a lot of specification to be kept in mind. For example, there are 3 to 4 layers of lighting. There are many types of lighting. It can be short and of dimensions, or it can be ambient. The 3 basic layers are ambient, accent and task. Ambient lighting is the one that adds softness and removes sharpness and dimensions from the room. Accent lighting helps you in highlighting the various points of the room that you want to display. For a good accent lighting, the focal point should be 3 times brighter than the ambient one. Task lighting is the one that is used to keep a workplace free from shadows like the kitchen island or the countertop. People install lights under the chimneys to task light the stove. Good lighting is especially needed for a small kitchen. You can play with many options. Simple Indian households prefer simple LED bulbs and tube lights. They are a good choice provided you place them good. In a main workplace of the kitchen area, you can work with them too. But it is a great choice of decor if you place cool hanging lamps over the kitchen island. The best way to add dimensions to a kitchen is to have hanging lanterns in the symmetry and of the exact same design or complementing each other very closely over the kitchen island. Most of the modern kitchen you see will have this look. Now coming to the lanterns, they must complement the color scheme. If that's not possible, then metal pieces, that is hanging rod, etc. must be one of the colors of the schemes as stated above. The actual term used is pendant lights. The other thing you may do is buy a chandelier, not a vast royal ones that have to go in the living room. Simply classy lanterns that will look good in the kitchen as stated above with examples. There are chandeliers that change colors on your voice recognition and even work on remotes. You can have them installed and change the intensity and color of light as per the situation. If you go to one step extra, then people these days buy LEDs that even kill certain bacteria. Also, it is not bad idea to have just the task lights that light up the room. In fact, that is what happens in most Indian kitchens. It also saves electricity. Having multiple lighting will obviously use more electricity. A tip for people who want to play very safe: add the task lights, LEDs and tube lights and make a shelf which is kind of display pantry. Make all the shelves have highlight lighting. Put junk food like chips, chocolates there, or you could just put up similar beautiful containers. The point is that it should be a cute, small, beautiful pantry which kind of is the focal point with only highlights. You could add more highlight lights on the beautiful areas. You could put one below any statement piece or painting. The following images kind of portray our point.